CD3 is a critical component of the T-cell receptor, TCR, complex, playing a central role in the activation and signaling of T-cells, which are essential components of the adaptive immune system. The CD3 complex is crucial for the recognition of antigens by T-cells and the subsequent immune response. Structure and composition of CD3. The CD3 complex is composed of several protein subunits, typically described as CD3 epsilon, epsilon, CD3 gamma, gamma, CD3 delta, delta, and CD3 zeta, zeta chains. CD3 epsilon, CD3 gamma, and CD3 delta, these chains are each composed of an extracellular domain, a single transmembrane region, and a cytoplasmic tail. CD3 zeta. The CD3 zeta chain is unique in that it contains longer cytoplasmic tails rich in immunoreceptor tyrosine-based activation motifs, which are critical for signal transduction upon T-cell activation. Function and role in immune activation of CD3. The primary function of the CD3 complex is to transmit signals from the T-cell receptor to the interior of the T-cell, which is crucial for initiating and regulating T-cell responses to antigens. T-cell receptor signaling. When the TCR recognizes and binds to an antigen MHC complex on the surface of an cell, the CD3 complex is responsible for transducing this signal into the cell. Activation and proliferation of T-cells. Following the initial signal transduction, a cascade of intracellular signaling events is triggered, leading to the activation of various transcription factors. Co-stimulation and signal amplification. The signaling through CD3 is often coupled with signals from other co-stimulatory molecules, such as CD28. Development and differentiation of T-cells. The CD3 complex is not only important in mature T-cells but also plays a crucial role in thymocyte development in the thymus. Clinical and therapeutic implications of CD3. Cancer immunotherapy. The CD3 complex is targeted in some cancer immunotherapies, particularly in the form of the specific T-cell engagers, BiTEs, and chimeric antigen receptor, CAR, T-cell therapies. Autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, where the immune system attacks the body's own tissues, targeting CD3 signaling can help modulate the immune response. Anti-CD3 monoclonal antibodies, such as teplizumab, have been explored for their potential to dampen autoimmune responses in conditions like type 1 diabetes. Alpha Life Tech can provide teplizumab biosimilar and other products. www.alpha-lifetech.com. info@alphalifitech.com